Hey guys, welcome back. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a giveaway bot on Discord. So first things first, what you want to do is go to this website right here. It's called giveawaybot.party. So basically, you just need to add to Discord, click on the add to Discord button, and it will prompt you to, of course, add that particular server that you want to add a bot into. So make sure first that you're logged in or something. And after that, pick the server that you want, click on continue, authorize and stuff, and verify CAPTCHA. Just go through it. And as you can see, the bot has been successfully added. Now you can now exit out up here, go back to your Discord, and let's see if the bot has been added. So as you can see on the top right, the giveaway bot has been added. So now it's just you to create a giveaway channel, of course, to have easy access. So let's type giveaways, just like so. And click on create. You need to do this on the giveaway channel, like here. So you create, do the exact same thing, and type in directly add some description. As of course, now you can see it right here. The ID will be also presented here. So entries, just need to click on this tab entry. So as you can see, when I click on it, it had the one entry. Also, you could add, of course, alter the winners and stuff. So basically, after this time ends, it will announce the winner. So you need to wait for 10 minutes, which is going to be 8:10. After that, it will just basically announce the winner. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.